Okay, so this is event. This is GER. This is one of those times that I am not a fan of Schoology. So Schoology, I have a love-hate relationship with. Sometimes I think it's just fantastic and I love it, and other times I just want to scream. Okay, so here's one of the things. So look at this playlist I went through. I'm like, oh my gosh, PlayPosit looks amazing. So here is this PlayPosit whole playlist that I made. If you look at all these videos, tons and tons of videos that I made, because I'm like, oh my gosh, so much more question options than Ed Puzzle. This is fantastic. Okay, so I got so excited. I made a PlayPosit for my anatomy class, made one for my seventh grade class. I was set to go, linked it in Schoology through external tool. It all looked wonderful until my anatomy students started it today. And what happened? Well, my first period class, perfect. They could get in, no problem. So my sixth period, well, we're asynchronous today, so they're trying to get on. My sixth period, no one can get in. So why? Because in Schoology, I have my courses linked. Okay, so here in my anatomy class, when you look, you can see I have all three sections linked. And apparently, even though PlayPosit links with Schoology, it does not like linked courses. And none of my other students, aside from first period, could get in. So I had to think on my feet real fast, create a copy of that PlayPosit, create a backup class, make an assignment with a link to that to join that class so students in my other classes could watch it. This is not worth it. Back to Ed Puzzle I go. PlayPosit until you figure this out. I am done.